Dr. Mahmoud Bawmia, then come out on the Ghana for the year.
Well, I want to say, Makase, Oshe, Senior, especially the two major political parties. Omona Atna Ghana Swache, Akunya Swache, from 92. This time around, Omo campaign, manifesto, taking different dimension, which I feel say a year. Yenye si yekwatena baby na yen atena se na yak trotro bofa kese ne mum ye ba fom na ya betie enipa no na de omo so omo pe no na ya mo nti hwe a ohwe both MPP and this manifesto a unkohu inflation rate was 30 something. When we come, we will bring it down to where we sign money no there for manifesto 2020 manifesto. Never compare 2016 and 2012 and even 2020. You realize that changes be bree yeah. The question is this time around both parties say Kobase third force being winning as omu baku winia the oma kano omo hu ye how into omo the how no ebe ye adwuma ma ye eno ye questioner me de mimi busa but utie Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawmia nra no a na enkomoni mu ode ende ne mu ode yi 4 million jobs for the people. Okay, a coin also wafa so ahyehyɛ also pese de ba say politicians need there say John say how but candidate that feel withdraw na for implementation no na ko bibi o but we just want to believe because all can ade ba ko all can ya me me den say no kwasem say ni wo hwɛ Ghana your population no ade say mabunu ne dɔɔso so almost so na dodo na ani adwuma ye wo hwɛ nipa egumabunu no so aye hwe omo because ye independent nkrofo e depend on ye so nti se ekoba se aban no onya tumi no na so bitimi de niam agu akwam na emabunu no yetimi anya adwuma ye na yeso ye de ahwe omo a omo so ntimi nkoma no a megidi se in terms of national security wise ne kra no ebeboa of course o mention we say one district one factory ekwa befa so be ye ama eno so etimi create employment for the youth and the digitalization is also ekwan befa so onso be biem na so create jobs nyina nti ye had here say akabe 33 days to elections we can only wish him luck say the ohwehwe no Nyankopon ma nsanka sana political parties ni nya obi ahwehwe Nyankopon ma nsanka it is Nyankopon ma obi ansa kan wie a afia se amfo ene kire ne ntwa so
e be chokrata no
ai unya tumi na 4 years na wudi kan etwa
ene fi ha de unim say e be voice achi
yes 4 years na wudi kan etwa
ye de ha de e be voice achi
4 years na wudi kan etwa utwa wie a afia ni ahwese bosha wo share ye in the lead up to the elections no wudi so anase wani so afia na de aka no ya tro ya friends say o exam paper no na ya market for near the results amount.
All right, my intern kakra.
Distinguished to make, ladies and gentlemen, just to give you a little indication about my faith in what is possible for us to achieve together beginning January 2025. The growth of the Ghanaian economy has been revised upwards to 4% for 2024 and higher in 2025. To put it into perspective, the economy grew by a mere 3.4% in 2016, the last year under President John Mahama. In fact, in 2025, Standard & Poor's is more buoyant with their forecast at 5.4%. I am even more optimistic that it is possible to do even more if, with your vote, you elect me as your next president and we implement my comprehensive business-friendly and job creation programs as outlined in the MPP manifesto, some of which I will highlight here. I'm seeing from the online numbers as I speak that more and more of you are watching and listening to me live across the country and beyond. I thank you for your attention I know many of you will be voting for the first time next month. Indeed, 8 years ago, many of you were too young then and therefore could not vote in 2016. Perhaps too young to remember self-inflicted crisis and homegrown hardships that my opponent put the nation through.
Right, that is Dr. Mahmoud Bawmia, and me chame ho aba na me ba na me first draw for the day.